A ship in harbor is safe, but that is not what the ship is for. मुझे लगता है सबसे आसान टॉपिक है, और if you can write it down. This topic is about courage, adventure, risks. This topic is about not being in a comfort zone. It's not about being secured to one type of a role. It's about discover. It's about go explore. It's about take challenges. Don't fear what lies in the uncharted waters. So life is like a ship. Life meant for exploration. If you have not explored, then your life is meaningless. If you have not taken risks, your life is meaningless. If you have not ventured into areas of things that make you uncomfortable, your life is not worth it. Your life is about exploration. I think this topic also applies to all of you. All the aspirants that we have here, you are people who have gone beyond the comfort zone. You are people who have ventured into uncharted waters. You have taken the risk. You are people who are not scared to get out of comfort zones. So your life has meaning because of that challenge. Your life has meaning because of that particular thinking. So you are like a ship. Life is like a ship. It must not be harbored or moved in safe conditions. Go out and explore. Go out and challenge. Go out and experiment. Go out and take risks. Okay, and discover what's new, what's exciting, what's beyond your imagination. That is what life is about. So I think ये सबसे आसान टॉपिक है.